Nothing new in this section, it's just practicing factoring. So in 5.7, I'm just going to call this factoring. And you've got to figure out what type of factoring it is and how you go about it. All right, so let me put 2 problems at a time up here for you. X squared minus 2x minus 63. And number 2, x squared plus 7xb plus 6b squared. And what I'm going to do is call what it is. Is it simple? Is it inny-outy? Is it difference of squares? I'm going to actually label them just so you can get in the habit of seeing that. So go ahead and see if you can try them. These are both from 5.3 homework. Let them try it. And how you ask it, but give them anyway. Oh, you're not full of it. Huh? Yeah, the 2 numbers that multiply 63 that add or subtract 2. I think the number either get a little multiplication table chart out that we use. With number 1, it's simple factoring. I know it's simple factoring because there are 3 terms, and there's technically a 1 in front of the x squared. Do I have a common number in all 3 terms?
No.
No. That's always the first thing you look for. If you don't, you can go straight to your 2 sets of parentheses. And I can say x and x. And then what 2 numbers multiply to 63 but can give you 2?
7 and
9. 9, 7, 7 and 9, okay. So 9 times 7 is 63. You got to think of that first. Do you have to add or subtract these to get the 2?
Subtract.
Subtract. So they have to be different signs. This sign right here tells you that's what you need to get to your bigger number. Which one is your bigger number?
9.
The 9. So the 9 gets the negative, the 7 gets the positive. And you can check it. Negative 9 plus 7 is negative 2, but when you multiply a negative 9 and a 7, you do get negative 63. So it does work for both. Number 2 is also simple. Again, 3 terms, and there's a 1 in front of the x squared. So I'm going to make my 2 sets of parentheses. I'm putting in my x's. Now, what 2 numbers multiply to give you 6, but could add or subtract to 7?
6 and 1.
6 and 1. Do we have to add or subtract those? Add. And it's telling you, if you have to add them, both of them need to be addition signs. What's the only thing I have to remember to add on to the ends?
B's.
The b's. Notice you have a b squared here, so you need to put a b here and put a b here. Because if you FOIL it, you'll get the b times b, which is the b squared.
So, what if it was like b squared in the middle?
Won't happen. Will always be in that one. Always in that one.
And if you use 2 times 3,
But what do you get when you add 2 and 3? You need 7. All right, let's try this one. 3x squared minus 11x minus 20. And if you want to kind of section them off, the first two I said were in 5-3. This one is coming from 5-4. All kind of mixed up in this section.